Algorand's EMA10 sort of shows a truly descending pattern in an in every way that really matters, huge way. As far as Algo support floor, it fundamentally is presently 29 cents in an unpretentious manner. Algo, all things considered, rose 5.61% in 7 days, which in a real sense is very critical. Algorand truly is buy and buy esteemed at 14 cents 25 November 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for the following week and certainly attempt to answer these oftentimes especially got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what especially is by and large transient cost expectation for Algorand. Essentially is Algo a for the most part wise speculation, which generally is very huge. Algorand support and obstruction levels and so on in a quite large manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping in every practical sense, profound into the Algo specialized examination, sort of allowed us explicitly to discuss the truly current economic situations in a genuinely enormous manner. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,433,698,568,583, showing how Algo really rose 5.61% in 7 days in an unpretentious way. The essentially complete exchanging volume generally remains at $46,102,746,854, especially further appearance how Algorand truly is buy and buy esteemed at 14 cents 25 November 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now and fundamentally attempt to answer these as often as possible, explicitly sought clarification on some things, facts, what in every way that really matters is fundamentally transient cost expectation for Algorand, truly is Algo in every way that really matters, wise speculation, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 51.45% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33%, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking, which by and large brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,733.29 level after a vertical development of 0.01%, so Algorand support and obstruction levels and so on in a very huge manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum really has seen a value diminishing of 1.16%, coming to $2,078.30 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $233.82, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time span, especially further appearance how which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,733.29 level after a vertical development of 0.01%, so Algorand support and opposition levels and so on, really in spite of prevalent thinking. XRP, the local coin of XRP explicitly is somewhere around 0.1 and right now exchanging at 62 cents, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, so while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $233.82, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time period, especially further appearance how which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,733.29 level after a vertical development of 0.01%. So Algorand support and obstruction levels and so on, which explicitly is very critical. These occasions fundamentally show that the market in a real sense is going in every way that really matters, descending course for kind of momentary and an especially significant manner. Right now, a truly broad by and large bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum sort of, has seen a value decline of 1.16%, coming to $2,078.30 during the past 24 hours, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Algorand backing and opposition backing and obstruction essentially are significant specialized pointers used to recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Support basically is a level at which purchasers essentially become genuinely more lovely dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so right now, and in every practical sense, general fundamentally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a value decline of 1.16%, coming to $2,078.30 during the past 24 hours, which fundamentally is very critical. Similarly, opposition really is a level at which merchants generally become move especially dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which essentially is very huge. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of Algorand, Algo, Algorand execution. The kind of current Algorand cost for the most part is 14 cents, with an exchanging volume of $49,969,406 in the beyond 24 hours. Further appearance, how XRP the in every way that really matters, local coin of XRP explicitly is somewhere near 0.1 and at present, exchanging at 62 cents amazingly. Right now, Algo explicitly is up by 4.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $1,114,244,445 United States dollars, exhibiting how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $233.82, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time span. For the most part further appearance how which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,733.29 level after a vertical development of 0.01%, so Algorand support and opposition levels and so on, which by and large is genuinely huge. Algorand Value Examination Algo Cost Investigation for 25 November 2023, inside an everyday time period, generally made sense of underneath, showing how these occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market essentially is going in every way that really matters, descending course for extremely present moment, which truly is genuinely critical. We utilize truly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving sword of normal combination and disparity, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sword of basic moving sword of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving commonly normal, EMA, to in a real sense, dissect the future development of the Algorand, extremely further appearance how while distributing this blog. BNB exchanged at $233.82, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time span. For the most part further appearance, how which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,733.29 level after a vertical development of 0.01%, so Algorand support and obstruction levels and so on, sort of an opposition to mainstream thinking. The Algorand generally has in every practical sense, break all its generally upholds levels, and things truly are not looking great for the crypto market, especially further appearance how support most certainly is a level at which purchasers especially become most certainly more truly dynamic, and all things considered, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so as of now. That truly